Hello, there are several things that you can do in order to free up storage on Motorola Edge 15 Ultra. Let's get right into the settings in order to go to storage settings over here. And here we can of course check how much space is taken by specific categories like system, apps, images, and so on and so forth. And here we can enable the storage manager that allows you to manage the space. And if you go to that option, you can read a little bit more about this function. To help free up storage space, Storage Manager removes backed up photos and videos from your device. You can also choose how many days you need to keep the removed photos and videos files. And we can choose between 30 and 90 days, so that after that period of time, those removed photos and videos are actually completely removed from the device instead of being kept in the junk files. So once you use the storage manager, you can also go to the Files by Google, and over here we can also jump into that app by pressing this free up space option. And over here we have Files app, and here of course we can see that we have the categories, so we can of course go through those files one by one and decide what we need and what not. However, we can also tap on these three lines in the top left corner, and we can use this clean button that allows you to remove junk files over here. So we can choose clean and then clear. And there we go, we can see that junk files have been removed. Then we also have delete unused apps, so we can go to select apps, and here we will have some suggestions about apps that we have not been using for a long time, or if we didn't use these apps at all. So we can select the app and then uninstall it over here in order to get some space back as well. Then also, in addition to that, we can go back to the settings. And in the settings, we want to go to apps, and then over here we have also unused apps, which is pretty much the same thing as in this Files app. However, this one is just straight up suggested by our device. So in this case, we are not suggested to remove Facebook, and in my case, I don't have any unused apps, so perhaps I would have to spend a little bit more time with this device in order to get some suggestions. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!